First of all, CRKT knives are amazing. I've never owned one I wasn't in love with. This knife is all that and more. It comes razor freaking sharp. It feels bigger in hand than I expected. A good thing. The locking mechanisms are badass. The color is exactly what I wanted. This knife is so beautiful in every way but one. I'm not a big fan of the pocket clip. It's so hard and tight that it's almost impossible to just slide it onto your pocket. I'll mess with it a bit and tune that so maybe it'll be more functional. Other than that, this knife is an EDC dream. Great first impression. It did arrive with some scuffing on the outer housing and oily fingerprints, but they were easily cleaned off. The additional safety mechanism took a little while to get used to, but now it's second nature when closing the blade. The lockup on this blade is absolutely top notch. There is zero moment when the blade is drawn and locked. It feels as if it's a fixed blade. It's that tight. This is a premium knife and it looks and feels it at every point of construction. This CRKT Carson M16-14DSFG knife is great. It is super lightweight, has a great locking system and comes very sharp. The pocket clip is nice and tight, no worries about falling out of pocket. This is a very well made sturdy knife, 4 inches blade, just over 5 inches closed and 9.5 inches open. Also has a lifetime warranty, which is nice. This is my second one. I left the first one at a boat launch. My fault. Liked it so much, went with the same thing. Thanks.